Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to find vacant land on Propwire. So this is going to become particularly useful for individuals who are just getting started with Propwire. How do you actually find vacant land? Either way, this video is going to be short, sweet, and to the point. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. But the way to actually do this is that first we're going to log onto Propwire. And I've just entered a random city here. For lead types, you're going to put and scroll down all the way to vacant lots, which means these are empty buildable lots that can be flipped to developers for a profit. Then for property types, you're going to set it to land. So as you can see, we have around 11,000 search results. Now to actually go ahead and download these search results, you can click on this toggle button here, select the max, and then click on this green button here, and then click on download. Now you can even go ahead and skip trace, which means that it's going to give you the information on how to better actually contact these owners, just so that you have a better chance at actually sealing that deal and reaching out to them. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find vacant land on Propwire. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.